Orthogonality of sine functions. This identity is the orthogonality of sine functions. Now, this is the equation that we are going to prove here. As the integral of the product of sine in pi x over L and sine in pi x over L from 0 to L is equal to L over 2 of the Kronecker delta, where the Kronecker delta here is equal to 1 if n is equal to m, and equal to 0 if n is not equal to m. Now we are going to first use the trigonometric identity here, the product of sine A and sine B. So in terms of the product of some identity here, so this is equal to 1/2 of the cosine A minus B minus cosine A plus B. So here A here is equal to in pi x over L, and B here is equal to in pi x over L. Now the product here is equal to the difference between the two cosine functions here. So integrate term by term. So the integral of this, the integral of in pi x over L and sine in pi x over L from 0 to L is equal to the difference between the integral of cosine n minus m and cosine n plus m in pi x over L. So for the case n is not equal to m here, so from 0 to L, the cosine of n minus m in pi x over L dx, so this is equal to 0 by integrations. Then the integral of the cosine n plus m from 0 to L is also equal to 0. Now because the sine of the k pi is equal to 0, we have here the for every k here, every element of the integer here. Now this is equal to 0 for every element of the integer. So the integral here is equal to 0 for n not equal to m here. Now for n equal to m, so we have the sine squared here. So we have the product of the two sides here, sine in pi x over L times the in pi x over L. So if n equal to m, so we have the square of sine here. So this is equal to 1/2 of 1 minus cosine to n pi x over L. So we have going to integrate this. By integrating this, we have L over 2 as a result. So combine both cases here. The integral of the product of sine in pi x over L and sine in pi x over L from 0 to L. So it's equal to L over 2 if n is equal to m, and that is equal to 0 if n is not equal to m, which is written compactly as L over 2 of the Kronecker delta here. So we have the mathematical implementation here. Define the sine modes here. So we have the sine modes. So pi of nx equal to sine in pi x over L. So we have the plot of the sine function here. So for n not equal to m here, so that's equal to 0. For example, n here is equal to 3. Now, if this is equal to 2, so and the other here is equal to 3, so that is equal to 0 here. Now, if they are equal, for example, this is equal to 3, so that is equal to 1/2 because L is equal to 1, so that is equal to 1/2 because we have here the Kronecker L over 2 of the Kronecker, the integral of the product of the two sides here, sine in pi x over L and sine in pi x over L from 0 to L. So that is equal to L over 2 of the Kronecker delta. Then we have here the orthogonality here. For example, we have the table of the integral of the orthogonality. So we have the diagonal here. In the diagonal, n is equal to m in the diagonal of the matrix here. So of diagonal here is equal to 0. So this is orthogonality in a matrix form. Then we have the different modes here. For example, for mode uh, here for n equal to 1 and n equal to 2 here. For example, we have 3. So we have the 3 here, and we have 1. So we can also make 2 here. We have the two modes here, mode 1 and mode 2. We have a mode uh, 2 and a mode 3 here. So 3, we have this is the highest point here is equal to 2. Yeah, we have the lowest point here equal to 1. So we have the n here equal to 3. Now, let's have only n equal to 2 and n equal to 1 here. And we have the positive and negative areas here. We have the area cancellations. So this is the uh, meaning of the orthogonality. So this is the geometric meaning of orthogonality. For example, if this is equal to 1 and this is also equal to 1, so n is equal to m here. So this is 1 also. So that is equal to 1. So the total area here is equal to 1. Now, if they are not equal, for example, this is equal to 2. So we have the positive area, negative area that is equal to 0. So you can make this uh, 3 also. So the total area here is also equal to 0. So this is equal to 2. So the area above minus the area below is equal to 0. Then we have the plot of the square of the sine here, because we have the 3 curves here. For example, we have 4. So this is the plot of the square of the area. Now for the normalizations, to make them orthonormal, so we have this uh, the square root of 2 over L times the function here as sine m pi x over L. So that is equal to 1. So this is now our definition for the Kronecker NM here. The integral from 0 to L of the psi of n x and sine of psi m of x. So where if n here is equal to m, so this will become 1. If n is not equal to 1, this will become 0.